Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make nam chim tale, that is Thai seafood sauce. Here are the ingredients: 2 red chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 lime, cilantro, which I cut a little bit already, fish sauce, plus 400 grams of beautiful fresh shrimps in their shells with the tails on. For the nam chim I'm using a mortar and pestle because this is the traditional way. So all the ingredients go in here except for the shrimp, of course. First step, it's the garlic. Just grinding this. Plus the red chilies, which I luckily did chop up because they would not fit in here. I just keep on grinding this stuff. After 15 minutes of hard labor, this is looking like a paste. Then I'm gonna add the cilantro. And grind it a little bit more. Especially the cilantro stems give the flavor. Oh yeah, the smell, the freshness, this is incredible. And with the fish sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, that looks nice. So, last but not least, the lime juice. And then got a combination of all kinds of flavors. Salty, spicy, sour. Gonna have a taste of this beautiful nam chim sauce. Oh yeah, that is heavy, that is spicy, sour, nice, fresh acidity. All the flavors are blending together on the palate right now. The shrimps I'm gonna just put in my Thai wok. No seasoning, just some olive oil. That is because the nam chim is going to give a flavor to these shrimps. After just 2.5 minutes, my shrimps are ready. Does this look beautiful to you guys? Well, to me it does. I'm ready for these shrimps with nam chim. We just dip this in the sauce. Get all of the stuff on your shrimp. and then it's nice. That is good. So many flavors in there. I love shrimps. They are my favorite animals. Especially with a sauce like this. Got a lot of cilantro in this one. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.